What is up, everybody? Today we are in the house. That's right, I do not live in the garage. And we are in my little office here. This is where I do all my editing and my driving on the simulator. My setup's a little weak, but today we're going to change that. Me and my dad are going to build a sim rig. Just the frame. So I have a G29 with a wheel adapter. And I need to drive because it's currently winter and it's currently snowing. And you know, your boy's got to get some drifts in, so we're gonna do that today. Oh man, it's snowing so much. So it's December 23rd. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. We've had this project planned for a little bit, but today we're finally getting to it. So let's uncover the old roller. Come on. So we're gonna head to my parents' place right now. That's where Dad's tools are and stuff. We're gonna bring them here in the garage and then we'll get started. So I'll keep you guys posted.
That's the pieces that I like it so it looks the same. I wanted to make it look like it's a kit you put together.
Symmetrical.
Okay. Are we even? No, I gotta come up, eh?
Oh, with
where's the edge of the wood?
Gotta come forward a little bit. It's out on this side.
Oh, and in there?
Oh, you're out now.
Oh. That's good. I'm not even gonna screw it down.
Shoo! So, yeah.
That's perfect. With that. 8 inches from where it bolts. So we can make this frame the same height
Okay.
as that one. See, at 8 inches, well, actually can go just to say drop down. So I think I could put the 2x4 the same height, and then it'll drop down the thickness of the 2x4. And I left this carpet here hang over just so stuff doesn't fall under. And then this carpet is gonna roll up the back. Come here. Because I want the wires. I want the wires
to be over this.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna get the pedals, and I think even if I put a small wood there, then we can screw it here, like, you know. Bang. Bang.
Look at that!
Everything that's lost.
Who measured that one?
Sometimes when you read the tape upside down, you say to yourself, okay, 23 7/8. So I go 20. I went 23, and then there's a 7/8 for the 22.
Oh, okay.
Like you read it upside down.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the 23 7/8. So we're closer to 24. This one should be good.
We'll pre-drill those too.
We
Or
will,
you
yeah.
wanna just mount the seat on? Think back a little bit. Or we're
Yeah. Come back.
Yeah, because you're. Yeah, it looks in line there.
that looks awesome. Oh,
That's a nice tilt.
whoa.
Yeah, we'll have to do.
So now I'm at the point of pulling the steering wheel off and the pedals because we're gonna mount the steering wheel and the pedals onto the rig now. Pretty exciting. It looks awesome. I'm very excited. It's coming together for sure.
Oh, that looks sick.
Oh, it's staying like that. Tired of shaving. Okay, 2 3/4 around there. Whew. Nice. I think.
Whoa! You can step pretty hard on the brakes too. Oh yeah, too fast.
Where am I supposed to go though? Was it this way?
Yeah, there's like a little turn in the track.
Oh, okay. Should have just went straight. I don't know where the map is. You said there's a map?
Yeah, right by where it tells you your gears.
Oh, there. Okay. I thought it was the whole thing, but it just.
No, just like what's coming up.